Okay, so this is Youcanic battery tester. I recommend you to get something like this if you are planning to do any car diagnostics, because often when you have some issues with electronics of your car, often it can be caused by problems with your battery and charging system, because when your battery is bad or your alternator is not functioning like it should, you can get some weird type of errors on your OBD2 scanner, and then you are fixing problem that doesn't even exist when the real responsible component is your battery. So this is very easy to use. It doesn't even have battery, so you just connect positive and negative side. It will start automatically and it will let you test battery, whether it is inside the car, but later we can try these batteries, old batteries that are outside. So it doesn't have to be inside car, you can do 12 or 24 volts battery. Now I have only 12. We can do fast test, input CCA value. This information you will find here. See this 680A. Very easy to navigate this scanner. And let's do battery test. And this is result: state of health 27%, state of charge 0. So it says battery poor. Because it's not charged, I was running OBD2 scanner on this car for past 2 hours. So no surprise there, but I would say the health, don't trust this health value unless you are testing on charged battery. So if you see something like this, state of health 27%, you don't have to throw battery out, because this battery is functioning very well even when car is sitting for a long time. So I wouldn't say it is only 27% of health, but if you are testing health on low charge, you can get worse results than reality. So if you need to test state of health, always charge your battery first, and if then it is also something low like 27%, then it's time to throw out old battery. So this is how you test your battery. We can also try another one. For example, this from my E60. I just replaced it. So connect the clips. Now this time it is 800A. I'm not even sure if this A value is amps or something else, but whatever. And you don't even have to use this menu. See, you can also use state of health or state of charge. So I will do state of health. Input 800. Okay. State of health 33%. And now this, I believe, because you can see we are testing on charged battery, we have 12.5 volts. So this is enough of charge to get correct result for this state of health test. And makes sense because I already replaced this battery because it failed me multiple times. And then what you can also do, you can also test the alternator and starter voltage. So if I choose this starter, it will tell me to go start car. Cranking test. Fully charge the battery before testing. Okay, I don't have that, but just for demonstration. Turn off the engine and then turn it back on. Okay, let's do that. Not sure if it can start. I drained a lot of battery, so it's like 50-50. Wait, let me zoom this out. See, we have start time, max voltage, min voltage. If your battery is good, when you are starting, it shouldn't drop below 10 volts. Now here it says medium. So you can see battery isn't completely bad, it just needs charge. And then what you can also do is test your charging system, but I will not do that because this Passat is smoking like crazy and I don't want to breathe that shit here in this small garage. But essentially, if you go to charging test, it will give you instructions like turn off headlights, keep engine at 2500 RPM, continue for 3 seconds, and then it will give you a result of how good your charging is. So basically with this simple tool you can test your battery, in-car, alternator, so you can test your whole charging system if it is functioning like it should. And that is the first step of solving any weird problem. When you have some weird fault codes, or you are not sure if you have some other problem, or your charging system is bad, your battery is bad, it is always a good idea to have something like this that can quickly test your battery. So if you want to order this Youcanic battery tester, I will put link in description.